The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is Monday in the 11th week, and our gospel will be coming from St. Matthew chapter 5, verses 38 to 42. Jesus Christ said, "If someone hit you on your right cheek, give also your left. If someone bring you to court because of your tunic, give also your cloak. And if someone will force you to run a mile, make it two." In many of the teachings of Jesus Christ, seemingly, He was always speaking with exaggerated words. And our gospel for today is no exemption. It's the same. In our human language and in our human understanding, seemingly, that's too much. Isn't it? That is too much. Imagine, we are to offer more than what is being asked from all of us. And beyond our human capacity to do so, probably. But then again, the gospel is teaching all of us many times things that Jesus Christ did for us may be an exaggeration for our human language. And it may even be foolishness by our human standard. But Jesus Christ is just telling all of us, He is always giving His all for all of us, even beyond our human comprehension. The love of God, the mercy of God, God's understanding, God's forgiveness, those are always beyond our human understanding. And in fact, if we will put into our human language, it will always be an exaggeration. But there is no exaggeration in the love, in the mercy of God. Those are real expression of God's love for all of us. So today, my dear sisters and brothers, the challenge for all of us is to go beyond the limitations of what we can do in speaking and in doing about godly things. And in becoming a real disciple of Jesus Christ, there should be no limit in what we can in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Be an example that in God there is no impossible, even if that is impossible in the language and in the criteria of human person. God bless.